Addition and subtraction of matrix. So the way we add two numbers, in matrix also, we add and subtract two matrices or multiple matrices. How do we do this? See, simply you have to add or subtract the corresponding element of two matrices. But the one thing you have to keep in your mind when you're doing this addition and subtraction, the dimensions needs to be same. That is, two matrices or multiple matrices which are being added or subtracted, the dimension should be same. When you add 2 and 3, when you add 2.3 and 6.2, you can also do 2 minus 3, you can also do 2 minus 2.3 minus 6.2. Same way, the matrix can also be added and subtraction. Only the situation is the dimension has to be same. Let us take a very simple example. We have a matrix A which is 2, 2, 2, 2. B is 1, 1, 1, 1. And when we try to add, we add the corresponding elements. First is that the both matrices are 2 by 2, 2 by 2, so that can be added. If one is 3 by 3, you cannot add it with 2 by 2. You cannot. So this 2, say corresponding elements we have to add. Let us see here. So 2 and 2, 1 and 2 and 1 will be added. You get 3. This 2 and 1 will be added. You get 3. This 2 and 1 will be added. You get 3. This 2 and 1 you add and you get 3. For addition, matrices are of the same size. They are commutative. That is, if you add A and B and then B and A, the result will be same. If you have three matrices A, B, C, the order you do, that is, first you add say A and B and add it with C, or first you add B and C and then you add it with A, the results will be same. This is called the associative property of addition matrix. What is the subtraction? Subtraction is again the subtraction of the corresponding element of two equal matrices, equal dimension matrix. But normally we don't subtract, we add the negative of other matrix. That is, we don't do A minus B, we do A plus minus B. So A minus B is nothing but A plus minus B. I'll just show you. So we have two matrices, A and B, same matrices. Now we have to subtract it. First we have to see whether the orders are same or not. The orders are same. Now we have to subtract them. So 2, 2, 2, 2. And then we have B. This is the A matrix. And then we have another matrix which is the B matrix. So when we add and then we negate the second matrix. That is, I have multiplied negative 1 with all the internal elements, scalar negative 1 multiplication. Now you add 2 minus 1 is 1. 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 This is how subtraction takes place. Let us take a few more examples. First, you have to see what is the dimension. The order of this matrix is 2 by 3. The order is 2 by 3 here. So when you add, because this now can be added. Otherwise, the dimension are not same, we cannot add or subtract. The corresponding element. 1 and 6, you have to add 7. 3 and negative 2 will be 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Minus 7 and 9 when you add, you get 2. 4 and 2, that is 6. 0 and 1, that is 1. 5 and 0, 5. Okay. Let us take one more example. So I'm just trying to show how we negate or we subtract. So this is a Q value, because why I have written this? Because I want to show that there will be solution of expression that can be done with these matrices. Let me write it 9 now, just to make it simpler. So what do? You don't do A minus B. You do A plus minus B. So you will do, first see the order. What is the order? It's 3 by 2, 3 rows and 2 columns. Here also 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay. Now the orders are same. Now we can either add or subtract. So first matrix remains unchanged. It will be 3, negative 1, 0, 0, 2, 3. Now you multiply negative 1 with inside and make a plus. So multiplying negative 1 with each element inside, the sign will change and then you add. Simply add. Okay. So 3 negative 9 is minus 6. 0 and 3 add, you get 3. Negative 1 and negative 1 is negative 2. 2 and negative 1 is 1. 0 and 4 is 4. 3 and negative 1 is 2. So this is how you add and subtract matrices.